Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project sales and inventory management system. And I have developed this project in Java, Spring Boot, and Angular. So for JDK, I'm using JDK 1.8, and Tomcat Server, I am using Tomcat version 9, and MySQL version is 5.6. On the uh, Spring Boot side, I am using the JPA, and we have created all of the models for all of the database tables for uh, performing the CRUD applications, right? Angular versions, I am using Angular version 12, and for ID, I'm using Visual Studio Code for the Angular side, and STS Spring Boot Tool Suites version 4 for the Spring Boot side, right? And for port, I'm running Angular and on port 4200 and Tomcat on port 8080, right? So these all technology stacks I had developed. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project, sales and inventory management system. Right. So let's start with the functionality. Go through that. What are the functionalities? What are the features available inside this project? Right. So the project title is sales and inventory management system, and this is a major project developed in Java, Spring Boot, and Angular. Right. So once you run this project, you will get this home page. So this is a bootstrap theme, partial bootstrap theme, not completely, and this is at the home page. And all of the these are all of the category coming from the database, right? So this is the static about page, there is nothing dynamic on it. These are the categories, right? If you click on the categories, then you will be able to see the product belongs to that category, right? So you can see the categories are showing here, right? So these all are the products. You can search the product from here, right? Like I am searching for the product 5, and if I click on the search, then you will be able to see the details of the product here, right? And you can see all of the comments posted by different customer also. And if you want to post the comments, then you can post the login, and after that you can post the comments there also, right? So this is a login. There are two types of login operations available here. The first one is a log customer, and second one is for the admin, right? There's this is the registration, and this is a user registration form. User can register and buy the products, right? So this is a contact, and this is a dynamic contact us form, and we are saving the value of this contact us form in the database. Even this is the website feedback. From here you can enter the feedback, and this will be saved inside the database, right? So I'm going to log in as a customer first, right? So the customer ID is amit@gmail.com, and password is test. If you log in inside the system, you will get this dashboard. Right here you can see home, dashboard, about, all categories, all products, my cart, my orders, my account, and logout, right? So these all operations are available here, right? If you click on the all products, and if you click on the see details, right, there is a add to cart. You can add the item into the cart, right? If I suppose if I'm adding 8 item into the cart, right? So this you can see, this is the 80, and there is a 10% discount, right? So you can see this is the this item has been added into the cart, right? Now I'm going to add more one item. So you can see this one, add into the cart. I'm adding 5 item, add it to the cart, right? So 2 items I have added into the cart. This is the third item I am adding into the cart. Even you can post a comment here, right? You can write your comment. Let me show you. Hello, good product, right? And this is a good product. If you click on the submit, you can see the comment has been displayed here, right? Because it has saved into the database, and comments are displaying here. And add item into the cart. So you can see I have added 3 items into the cart, right? Now if I want to delete any item, then you can delete. On clicking of this delete icon, you can see item deleted successfully from the cart. If you click on the checkout, then you will get the payment page, right? You can see this is the total amount has been calculated automatically. This is a dummy card payment, right? You can enter whatever you need. There is no need of entering correct credit card details, right? So these all details are available. Means you can enter whatever you need, right? We are not validating this, right? Once you click on the make payment, you can see your order has been generated, right? Order number is 312. All of the things are available here. The order items are here. Contact number, order date, and every information is available here, right? You can see all of the orders in the my order section. You can see this is the my order section, and this is your last order, right? And then this is the my account section, from where you will be able to update your account details. And the last one is a logout. Once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be expired, and you will not be able to access the internal pages. Let me show you. You can see my administration is here, my cart is here, but if I log out, then nothing is coming. If I log in, then administrative menus are coming, because this is a session driven menu and it rendering according to the session. Now I am going to log in as an admin. So this is the admin panel. The user ID is admin and the password is test. Once you log in, then you will get this dashboard, right? This is the admin panel. This is a totally different UI what we had developed in Angular, right? So we have integrated three types of UI here. So this is a product management. You can see this is the product management, and these are totally stock, right? You can see all of the stocks are available here, right? You can edit any of the product and you can update the details from here, right? You can add new product also. This is a category management. All of the categories what is coming on the front page is you can manage from here, right? So this is also CRUD application. You can update your category from here. This is all orders, right? You can see all of the orders here, right? So you can see this is the return, right? If you click on here and if you update the delivered instructions, you can see the delivery has been updated, right? And if you can see, this is the delivered, right? You can update the status here also, right? Shipped. So if I click on that, then you can see this is a shipped, right? If I key, this is the refunded, right? You can see this is the refunded, right? So this is the status what you can update, right? So this is a customer management. All of the customer who has registered on the website will be displayed here, right? You can edit and update the details also. Even you can delete the customer profile too. You can add new customer also. This is a totally CRUD application of the customer. This is a contact us. So I already explained you there is a contact us page, right? If customer put any of the information there, then it will be displayed here, right? You can delete the information from here also. This is a feedback report. All of the feedbacks which has been submitted by the customer will be displayed here. This is a sales report. All of the sales will be displayed here. So for that, you need to, this is a sales dashboard, right? You need to select the, suppose I want last 6 months sale, right? And this one, and so daily. If I click on the search, then you can see this is the total daily sales, right? This for on 1st August, this sales we have made, right? So this is the total sales, right? If I click on weekly, then the details will be segregated. The total amount will be segregated according to the week, right? If I see want to see monthly, then you can see this is the monthly report, right? If I want to see yearly, then it is a total yearly sale, right? So there are the option, different type of options here. From here you can see the report according to your preferences, right? This is a sales report, this is a stock report, and you can see this is these are the number of stocks available in the system, right? Even you can edit the stock from here, and after that that will be updated into the database. This is the last thing, that logout. If you log out, then all of the session will be expired and you will not be able to access the internal pages, right? So you can see you had been redirected to the login page again, right? So these all functionalities we have developed inside this project, the sales and inventory management system. And as I told you earlier, this is a major project developed in Java, Spring Boot, and Angular, right? So if you need more functionality, if you need any enhancement in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos and the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.